Hello guys, this is God's Power. So today I'm going to show you this application that you can use to make money online. So you are going to make any amount you wish, up to 5% to 10% if you invest more money on this application. So let us get started right now. So as you can see, first you just need to go to your Google Play Store just like we are right now and search for this application that is called Valora. This is the application. Search for this application Valora and click on it. So you have to install the application. You can see that I have installed the application. So I need to update the application in your presence right now. So as you can see, the application is updating and the updating just completed and now is installing. So I'm going to show you how this application works and how you can make money with it and how you can transfer your money around this application, which is called Valora. So as you can see, this is the application Valora, and you can dismiss all those things that they are telling you to add fund into your Valora account. So as you can see here, the first thing is you need to do is to go to your menu here on the menu tab here. You need to go to your menu tab here and go to settings. Once you go to settings, you will be able to now set your key. So I'm going to block this out. So once you click on this section here, it will ask you to enter a pin. And once you enter the pin, it will open your security code. With this security code, they call it look at what they call it here. They call it account key. So this account key is what you have to save. Sometimes it's 24, sometimes it's 12, sometimes it's more than that. They will give you word. Those words, you will keep them because those are the words that can keep your account safe and secure. Let me say, if you lost your password to login or phone number, if you have this key, you'll be able to access your account on Valora. So you can invite friend on Valora. When you invite friend, you are going to be making money from your friends. So once your friends start investing on Valora app, you will be making money. I'm going to the section where you have to be investing and how much you will make for investing on Valora. So cancel. You know now that you can invite friend. You can withdraw money into your cash out. You can withdraw money into your paper account, or you can transfer the fund into your bank account, or you can transfer the fund into other payment method that you have added into your Valora account. So as you can see, my account is 0 right now. And if you come to the settings here, you see at the top here, you will see something that say earn. So when you click on this section here, you will see something that you will see what is going to say here. You see a new way to earn. You see start earning now. You start earning now. You will earn up to 5% annual on your CUSD balance. Earn weekly. Send and spend as usual. You will earn on the remain balance. No minimum, no minimums, no commitment. Any is stress free. You are earning already. Save more to earn more. Earn up to 50 CUSD per a year by saving 1000 CUSD. It is simple. Start saving for your future today. So what they are trying to say, if you don't understand, you are going to be making 5% annually for using this platform, which is Valora app. And if you want to invest, you can invest money. How it works? Let me say you invest $50. You are going to be making, let me say, $5 monthly, $5 weekly, depending on amount you spend on the Valora app. More you use the application, more you are making money. More you are doing transaction around, more you are making money. So how you can add money is to click on add USD, and here you can see that you can add US dollar through Cello. You can use your Cello account. You can use the balance on your Cello account, which is Cello is a cryptocurrency. And you can go and put let me say recharge your Cello account and fund your Cello account, and immediately it will appear here. You can transfer money into your Cello account. So how can you do that? You can see that you can do debit card and bank account and cryptocurrency exchange. You can do that, and you can exchange your cryptocurrency on this part here. One thing you can do to, let me say you want to add fund to your account, click on this part here and click on Cello, and you can see here that you can add fund to your Cello account. You see now that your account is 0. So let me show you how you can add fund to your Cello account. Yeah, so how to add money to your Cello account? Click on the menu icon here again. Once you click on the menu icon here, you need to come down to this section here that say add and withdraw. Click on add and withdraw, and here you can add money to your balance. You can select how you want to add money. You can decide to say select a currency. So you can select Cello, you can select Cello Euro, and you can select Cello. You can just do it, okay, select Cello, and you can do it by debit card or bank account, or you do it by cryptocurrency. Let me say I want to do it by debit card. If I click on next, here it's going to ask me how much I want to add. Then I can say $100, and it will tell me how much it will be, how 100 Cello, how much it will be in dollars. So as you can see, it's telling me is going to be how much here is going to be 269 euros and 29 cents, and I'm going to pay $2.69 per fee. So I will click on next, and once I click on next, it will ask me to enter how I want to pay. So I can decide to pay in different way. I can decide to pay, let me say, you see, let us see what this is. See, please select a provider below those links to connect a third-party service. So we can say, which one are we going to take here? A third-party service that we can use to, we can just take this. And once we click that, here is going to tell us, that we are going to pay 269 euros. And if we come down here, if we click on proceed, it's going to tell us to enter your address. It say your email address, and select how you want it, and you can select the terms or condition here, and you can proceed. When you click on proceed, when you have selected everything here and you have entered your email address here, let me say I enter my email address and click on proceed, you will see automatically it will ask me to proceed, and it will go to a section where we have to enter our bank information. So I need to confirm my email address, and once that I've confirmed, they will now send the money into my Cello account. And once the money arrives, you will see now that my account balance will increase, and I will start making money, like the investment will start flowing. So that is how this platform works. It's like once the money have arrived, every month, every week, I'm going to be making 5% to 10% from this website, from this Valora application. So that is how it works. I hope that this application will help you, and if you find it difficult to use this application, I want you to leave it in the comment section below, and I want you to tell me in the comment section below if this application is good for you, or you don't like the explanation, there is a problem you don't understand. Just leave it in the comment section below. So I will end the video from here. If you have any question again, don't forget again to ask me in the comment section below, or contact me. I am iamregodspower on Instagram, I am iamregodspower on Facebook, I am iamregodspower on Twitter. So just contact me if you have any question on how you can use this application, which is called Valora. I will say thank you very much. We are going to end the video from here. See you soon in my next video, a way on how to make money. And thank you very much, and peace.